The 2026 Brabus Motorhome is here, and it's nothing short of extraordinary. Brabus, known for pushing the limits of performance and luxury in Mercedes vehicles, has taken the concept of motorhomes to an entirely new level. This isn't just about traveling, it's about experiencing the road in the most opulent and powerful way possible. Imagine combining a 5-star hotel with a high-performance vehicle, and you'll begin to understand what the 2026 Brabus Motorhome represents. On the outside, the Brabus Motorhome commands attention with its bold and aggressive design. Built on a Mercedes platform, it has been completely reimagined with the signature Brabus styling. The massive grille, sharp LED lighting, and aerodynamic bodywork showcase a perfect balance between functionality and aesthetics. Large alloy wheels with Brabus badging, carbon fiber accents, and a sleek two-tone paint finish give it an unmistakable presence. Despite its size, the motorhome carries the sporty DNA of Brabus, making it look like no other RV on the road. Powering this beast is a tuned 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, developed by Brabus engineers to deliver breathtaking performance. Producing over 600 horsepower, this motorhome is not just about comfort but also about commanding power. The advanced suspension system ensures stability and smoothness, whether you're cruising on highways or navigating more challenging terrains. Paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, the Brabus Motorhome offers a driving experience that feels effortless, controlled, and surprisingly agile for its size. Step inside, and the interior is where the Brabus Motorhome truly sets itself apart. It's designed to be a luxury apartment on wheels. Every inch is draped in the finest leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber trim, reflecting Brabus' signature attention to detail. The living space is spacious and filled with amenities you'd expect from a high-end residence. There's a full lounge with reclining seats, a dining area with an extendable table, and a state-of-the-art kitchen equipped with premium appliances. Soft ambient lighting and panoramic windows enhance the atmosphere, making the interior feel open, bright, and welcoming. The bedroom offers a king-size bed with memory foam mattresses, fine linens, and even a personal entertainment system for private relaxation. The bathroom is no less impressive, featuring a rainfall shower, heated flooring, and luxury fittings that make it feel like a spa on the road. The entire motorhome is climate-controlled, ensuring ultimate comfort in any weather conditions. Technology is integrated seamlessly throughout the motorhome. A massive touchscreen control center manages everything from lighting and climate to security and entertainment. Voice command features, Wi-Fi connectivity, and a high-end surround sound system ensure that you remain connected and entertained wherever your journey takes you. Safety is also paramount, with advanced driver assistance systems including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system for easy maneuvering. The 2026 Brabus Motorhome redefines the way we think about traveling. It's not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle statement, blending extreme performance, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched luxury into one spectacular package. For those who demand the very best in life, the Brabus Motorhome isn't just a way to travel, it's the ultimate way to live on the move.